Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolates for business. First, define your unique chocolate concept and who you want to sell to. Next, craft a detailed business plan, mapping out your vision and financial projections. Remember to obtain all required permits and licenses for food handling and sales, ensuring you comply with local regulations. Finally, invest wisely in quality equipment, like a good tempering machine, which is crucial for achieving that perfect, glossy finish on your chocolates. Now, let's talk about the heart of your product, the chocolate itself. Always source the highest quality cocoa beans or premium couverture chocolate available. Mastering the art of tempering is absolutely essential for that beautiful shine and satisfying snap. Don't be afraid to experiment with exciting flavor combinations and delightful fillings to create signature products. Most importantly, uphold rigorous hygiene standards in your kitchen to ensure food safety and product integrity for every single batch. Your brand identity and packaging are vital for attracting customers. Design an appealing brand identity with a memorable logo that reflects your unique style. Select packaging that is not only attractive but also protective and food safe, preserving the quality of your chocolates. Ensure all labels clearly list ingredients, potential allergens, and nutritional facts, providing transparency to your customers. Exploring sustainable packaging options can also significantly enhance your brand's appeal to a growing market segment. Finally, let's discuss how to get your delicious chocolates into the hands of customers. Establish a strong online presence using social media to showcase your creations and engage with your audience. Participate in local markets, craft fairs, and food festivals to connect directly with potential buyers. Offering tempting samples and special promotions can be a fantastic way to attract new customers. Also, consider building wholesale relationships with local cafes, hotels, and specialty stores to expand your reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.